What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Best Guy Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm here with the co-pilot Jax, and today we are coming to you live from Museum Row on the Miracle Mile, Los Angeles, California, USA, with another LACMA construction update. Finalizing our trifecta for this weekend, we had to stop by LACMA after the fog burned off just to see what the progress was looking like. According to the LACMA's building construction update page, major construction of the new museum building is complete and commissioning of building systems continues throughout the project. So all around, they're still doing a lot of grading and paving from what we can see. The Jeff Koons split rocker living mural is over 45,000 plants, and it's said to be anchoring the ground level of the Geffen Galleries. What they're going to include there's going to be a real mystery, but it's going to be fascinating to see what happens whenever it all starts to come together. One more thing that they announced is the installation of Octavia's Gaze by Todd Gray. This is a LACMA commissioned artist, and it's creating new artwork for the interior of the gallery. We'll throw a picture of that up right here. They are hitting kind of a speed bump since there is metro construction off of Wilshire. That purple line's extension is impacting a lot of what's going on here, as it is in 2 points on Wilshire Boulevard. But rest assured, we're going to be here to see what happens every step along the way. So get ready for it, and we're going to be back here again much sooner than we were last time. On that note, it is peanut-ear time for the boy. This cool weather's got him real snoozy. There you go, buddy. Oh, yeah. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, buy me a copy, link in the description below. Super chat, super thanks. Give us a sub if you haven't already. Thumbs up the video, comment on the video, good or bad. Well, that goes a long ways helping us bring you that very decent December content. So without further ado, let's go and get on out there. Show you guys what's going down. Peace.